Happy New Year's, everyone. It's me, Crazy Betty. Zumba with Crazy Betty. A better body by Betty. I just wanted to say thank you for your support last year in 2020, especially my sponsors, Regional Medical Group Incorporated and Lakeside Community Healthcare, and of course, all of you. I hope that you would continue to support me in this year, which is 2021, which is going to be amazing. Please join me every Friday at noon for the live Zumba class on Facebook. And if you can't make it, you can always go to my YouTube channel at Better Body by Betty, and you can work out whenever you want. How cool is that? Anyway, thank you so much for your support. And remember, you are amazing, you are beautiful, and let your inner light shine. Please stay healthy, stay safe, and namaste. See you soon. Bye. Happy New Year.